In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite team members in Monday.com. This quick and easy tutorial will guide you through the steps needed to effectively collaborate with your team. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to head over to Monday.com. Simply open up your web browser and type in Monday.com in the address bar, then hit enter. Once you're on the home page, take a glance at the upper right corner of the site. You'll notice a login button located there. Click on this button to proceed. It will take you to the login page. Now at this point you have two options. You can either sign in with Google if you're already logged into a Google account, or you can manually type in the email address associated with your Monday.com account. Choosing the Google option is often the faster route, but whatever you're comfortable with will work just fine. If you decide on using Google to sign in, a new window will pop up displaying the Google accounts available on your device. Look for the account with the email address you'll be using for Monday.com and select it. This will grant Monday.com permission to connect with your Google account and complete the sign-in process. Once you've logged in, it's time to go to the board you want to share with your team. Simply click on the board from your dashboard that you intend to collaborate on. Now let's locate the invite option. Take a look at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled invite. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking, a pop-up will appear. This is where you'll manage sharing options and invite team members. In the pop-up window, there's a search box waiting for you to type in. Here, you can enter the name or email of the team member you wish to invite. If they're already part of your organization on Monday.com, their details might automatically fill themselves in. If the person you're inviting is new to the organization or not found in the search, you'll see an option to invite a new member by email. Click on this option and enter their email address. This action will trigger an invitation email to be sent out to the new member, letting them know that you're inviting them to collaborate on the board. Finally, to verify that everything has gone according to plan, you can check the invite to this board page. Here you'll find a list of all the team members with whom you've shared the board. Confirm their names or emails are visible on this list and you're all set. And there you have it. You've now successfully invited team members to collaborate on your board within Monday.com. This process is not only straightforward, but also ensures seamless communication and collaboration across your team. Thanks for watching and happy project managing.